Hi. In this video we'll highlight our favorites product. We will show you the specifications and benefits of the product.
Imagine one machine. So versatile, so effective, you can burn fat, lose weight, while sculpting and toning your entire body at the same time. One machine so incredible, it transforms from the upright to the recumbent position. One machine so comfortable, you'll actually want to work out. Introducing Slim Cycle, the revolutionary new 2-for-1 fitness system that delivers a cardio blast workout with a complete upper body sculpting system for a full body workout in one dynamic, comfortable machine.
I've lost 10 pounds. I could not recommend a better exercise equipment for anyone.
The Slim Cycle is the best investment I've ever made in my health.
Comfort level's huge for anybody, especially in the beginning of their conditioning program. The seat is excellent. It's wide with the backrest. It gets you really sit up nice and strong. It gauges your core, so we're sitting in a nice postural position, which is very important when it comes to training.
I have recently lost 25 pounds. Health is extremely important to me. With the Slim Cycle, you can do your cardio and you can do your upper body strength in a short amount of time. You do 2 things on one bike.
Even just 10 minutes on the Slim Cycle, I feel good. I feel like I've accomplished something. I know that I'm losing weight.
I like that it's a full body workout. I can feel it in my legs, I can feel it in my core.
Finally, no more gym. I get a full body workout right at home with one machine.
Let's see the features of this great product. And these are our editor ratings for this product.